Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Food and Beyond. Today we are going to see how to make cinnamon roll ice cream using Ninja Creami. Come, let's get started. I want to make this ice cream a little healthier, so I am adding 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. I cooked it and smashed it with a fork. Now add the mashed sweet potato to the high-speed blender. I have taken Vitamix for this. To this I have added half cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of fresh cream, and I have added 1 heaped teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 5 pitted dates. Blend these all together very well. To this I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar as a sweetener. Now blend it again evenly and smoothly. Pour the blended mixture into the ice cream container. Remove any air bubbles and close it with the lid and freeze it for a minimum of 18 hours. After 18 hours, remove the container from the freezer. Place the container in the Ninja Creami, select full ice cream mode and press start. After 2 minutes is over, remove the container from the Ninja Creami and you can see the consistency is like sandy consistency. Now add some little cream, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and process the same thing again. Now if you can see, the consistency is so creamy and you can easily scoop it. With just 5 simple ingredients, you can make yourself a delicious ice cream at home using Ninja Creami. Adding sweet potato to this ice cream is totally optional. You can try this recipe without sweet potato and it's very good too. Please try this recipe at home and let me know in comments how it came out, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, and until then, see you next time. Bye bye.